Welcome everyone, here is how you charge the iPhone 14. So you're looking at the box, you see this charging cable and you insert one end into the iPhone 14 itself. Where does the other end go? So Apple has removed the charging brick which is required to charge your iPhone out of the box to save the environment, which means increase Apple's profits. What this means is you have three options. The first option is you're going to get a charging brick from your old iPhone. You're going to use the old cable in order to charge your iPhone 14. Okay, if I get my older iPhone 12 here, you can see the charging port is the same. Even if you use the old charger on the new iPhone, there should be no issues there. If you don't have an old iPhone or you don't have a charger brick, then take a look if you have a MacBook or a computer charger that will have a USB Type-C port, and that is the same port which is required to connect the other end of the charger in. So you may be able to use a charger brick from a laptop, something like that. The inconvenience would be you'd have to swap the cable every time you want to charge between each device. So what you could do is you could buy a USB Type-C charging brick. Apple does sell them on Amazon. I'll have a link in the description if you would like to buy one. On top of this, while you are looking into charging, it is also possible to do wireless charging in the iPhone 14. So you could also buy this right here. This is MagSafe. So if you wanted to do wireless charging, you'd connect this end of MagSafe on the back of your iPhone 14. You wouldn't need any cables, and then this end would still need to be in a charging brick like this one here, and then that would allow you to charge your iPhone 14 wirelessly. So with that being said, hopefully this video helped you out. If you need to buy a cable or brick, links in the description. Bye bye.